Celestron NexStar Evolution 8 Review. Best telescope for lazy geniuses? Wi-Fi and chill under the stars. You ever stare at the night sky, all hyped to finally see Saturn's rings, only to spend 45 minutes fumbling with a clunky telescope that barely shows a fuzzy dot? Yeah. We've been there. The struggle is real: janky setups, batteries dying mid-session, confusing interfaces, and a tripod that wobbles like a toddler learning to walk. It's frustrating. You start questioning why stargazing became your hobby in the first place. Instead of a cosmic escape, it's a tech headache. You're stuck wasting time, battling gear instead of marveling at the universe. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and you're not crazy. Now pile on the pressure. You planned a date night, invited friends, or promised your kid their first real galaxy, and then, nothing. Dead batteries. Misalignment. Stars lost in blur. Burnout kicks in fast when every attempt ends in disappointment. Your passion for astronomy is turning into anxiety. You feel that creeping guilt: maybe you just picked the wrong scope, again. And let's not even talk about the cost of gear upgrades. What was supposed to be wonder-filled ends up sucking your time, energy, and money into a black hole of regret. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Enter the Celestron NexStar Evolution 8, your stargazing redemption arc in one sleek, Wi-Fi-powered package. This is not your grandpa's telescope, it's an interstellar smart machine disguised as backyard gear. With an 8-inch Schmidt Cassegrain lens, razor-sharp Starbright XLT optics, and computerized go-to tracking, you'll lock onto planets and nebulae like a Jedi with GPS. No power brick needed, the 10-hour built-in battery's got your back. Control it straight from your phone. Setup? Skyline makes it stupid easy. This thing doesn't just work, it performs. Whether you're a chill stargazer or wannabe astronerd, the Evolution 8 makes space feel downright personal. Welcome to orbit. Imagine zooming in on Jupiter's stripes or the glow of Orion's nebula, crisply, clearly, easily. The NexStar Evolution 8 isn't just another telescope. It's an experience. With brass worm gears for ultra-smooth tracking, built-in Wi-Fi, rechargeable power, and support for SkyPortal's Planetarium app, this bad boy is basically your ticket to the cosmos. Bonus: a deluxe Placel eyepiece kit, filters, and a rugged carry case keep you equipped for any star party. Users are raving. No external power hassle, solid, stable, intuitive, a joy to use. Want to see why everyone's calling this the most user-friendly telescope ever? Hit play, and get ready for serious visual dopamine. Your jaw might need a seatbelt. Limited stock. Maximum hype. Thousands of happy stargazers can't be wrong, this telescope is flying. If you've ever wanted to ditch clunky gear and just enjoy the stars, now's your moment. Whether you're gifting wonder to your kid, leveling up from entry-level gear, or reclaiming your own cosmic joyride, the Celestron NexStar Evolution 8 is calling your name. Don't miss out. Don't wait for another back-ordered regret. Click that link, claim your scope, and finally see the universe the way it's meant to be seen, up close, in focus, and absolutely unforgettable. Secure yours today. The stars won't wait.